Here's how to create a direct download link in Google Drive. There are two methods, one for single files and one for bulk. Let's start with method 1. Right now, your files open a preview page before they download. Before creating any link, set the file's access correctly. This is a key step. Without it, the link will not work. Right-click the file and click Share. Under General Access, select Anyone with the link. Set the permission to Viewer. This allows the file to be downloaded without permission errors. Now copy the file link from Google Drive. It looks like this. Find the file ID. It's the part between /d/ and /view. The URL format you need. Copy this format from the pinned comment. Paste it into a new tab. Replace file ID with your actual file ID. Press Enter. The file downloads immediately, no preview. This works for one file at a time. If you need links for multiple files, there's a better way. Drive Explorer Pro is a Google Sheets add-on that connects your drive directly to a spreadsheet. Select your files once, and every direct download link appears in your sheet automatically. No URL editing, no file ID copying. You can install it from the Google Workspace Marketplace, link in the description. Go to Google Sheets. From the Extensions menu, open Drive Explorer Pro. A sidebar opens on the right. It has 3 tabs: Upload Files, List Files, and Settings. Go to the Settings tab. Under File Access, choose who can open the links. This is a key step. The access setting applies to every file listed in your sheet. If you're sharing with clients or people outside your organization, select Anyone with the link. Now switch to the List Files tab. Under Start Listing Files From, choose where the output should begin, from your selected cell or below existing data. Under Select File Attributes to List, choose the columns you want. Pay attention to this. Check Direct Download Link and File ID, so you don't have to copy and replace it manually like in method 1. You can drag items to reorder them. The order here becomes the column order in your sheet. Once you're done, click Save Selected Settings as Default. Your setup loads automatically next time. Now click Select Existing Files from Drive and List in Sheets. A file picker opens. Select your files from My Drive or shared drives, then click Select. Each file appears as a separate row, with the file name and direct download link ready to use. That's it. Your files now have direct download links, ready to share, paste, or use anywhere. Like this video and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.